Today I'll teach you how to read JSON file in ASP.NET MVC. So let's start. As you can see on your screen, this is a JSON file, and this particular JSON file I have hosted on GitHub, and it will be accessed through an API. That particular API will be called using web client class. Now inside the model class, I'll be adding some properties to the class. So the very first property is customer ID. The second property is name. The third property is country. Now let's move to the controller. We'll start by adding some namespaces. So the very first namespace is system.io, then system.web.script.serialization. Now I'm adding an action result method. I'm naming it as index. Next, I have created an object of stream reader class, and I'm passing the path of the JSON file using the server.mapPath function. Next, I have created an object of JavaScript serializer class. Now I am creating a generic list collection of customer model class object using the deserialize object method of the JavaScript serializer class. In the end, the view function is written which completes the action result method. Now let's move to the view. Now I am setting generic list collection of customer model class as the model for the view. Inside the view, I am now creating an HTML table. Now this is the fixed section, that is the header row of our table. So here I am making use of th element, which is the header element of the table, and I'll be creating 3 columns: customer ID, name, and country. As you can see, I am using razor syntax, and I am making use of for each loop. So the loop will be run over the model. Now inside the for each loop, I am creating a table row, and each table row will have 3 fields. Here I am making use of razor syntax, and I am specifying the field name which will be displayed here. So as you can see, our table is also ready. So with this we complete our programming part, and now it's time to run our project and see it in action. So as you can see, the contents of the JSON file has been displayed in the browser. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.